our valve cover. So we'll replace the gaskets. To do so, this is the spark plug rings, goes around the sleeve that goes the spark plugs goes inside the sleeves. So to take it out is a challenge, and the best way to do the figure is use a flat head right here on the edge. The hammer tap, you copy the side right here bottom. Yeah, so tap, tap, goes in. Now show. Now pry it slowly. Pry it out. There you go. The old one comes out. It's very hard, so time to replace it. Now fill in the slot. New one, to put it in, use a little bit of grease. A little bit of grease around it. Notice which way it goes. It doesn't go this way. It goes, the closed side stays this way. And you can put a little bit of grease around it. Push it in if it goes. If it doesn't, then use a socket that's about same diameter. Hold it there. With the hammer, slightly tap, tap, tap. Make sure it's flush. Nicely in. Okay, so we'll do the rest of it. These screws, these bolts has also this seal here. To replace this, you can cut the old one out with a knife and put some grease here because it has to slide over it. So the new seal, slide it from under, lubricate it a little bit. Okay, and take the rubber seal off. It's the old one. Throw it. New one. And this new one, there are some bumps here. So that goes. There's a bump, bump, bump. The bumpy side goes in first. So we'll put it around. It's always good to use some gasket maker. Thin tab of gasket maker can be used. And then install it. So change all the 336 of this seals, 10 of this ring seal, 2 valve cover gasket, and then reinstall it. When you reinstall it, tighten the bolts. There should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start from the middle, across, go towards the edge. Don't over tighten. Torque it right. Check the spec for the torque and torque it right. Okay, so we put the new seal all 3 and the around it. Usually you have enough light. Usually you don't. So usually rubber seals don't need any gasket maker, but you can put some silicone gasket seal if you like. I don't. This is new seal. So put the back valve cover first. Make sure the spark plugs are in and tight, and then the front one. After that we'll put the Panama intake Panama on. We'll be done. So rest is reverse of whatever we have done so far. So we clean the EGR line in intake manifold. We clean the throttle body, adjusted the valve clearance, and we put a new PCV valve. PCV valve goes there, and we put a new PCV valve as well. Okay, so that's it. Please share and subscribe for many more videos. If you have any question, let us know too. I'll try to answer. I'll try to show you other things. So that's it. Good luck.